How's it going, everybody? We have yet another harvest delay, and I'll share some harvest video eventually. Just been busy. We've been doing small patches of beans and stuff, so it's hard to get good video of doing that. It's not really rolling we're harvesting, but we're just not rolling hard yet. Once beans get over with, my life gets a lot better too, and it's a lot easier to get video because beans is you gotta stare at that cutter bar all day. But it's been cloudy, high humidity, and windy the last couple of days, so weather for beans has been absolutely horrible. So instead of switching to corn, we just kind of decided to take a break because we've been running pretty hard on beans, honestly. And it just takes too much effort to swap back and forth a dozen times throughout the year. I hate doing it. So instead, while I was sitting at home relaxing on a recliner today, I bid on a tractor on an online auction in Indianola, Nebraska, which is like an hour and 10 minutes away. And I got it. So we grabbed the trailer, my diesel pickup, and we're going to go get it. And then when I get there, hopefully show it to you guys and get it home. And it'll probably be for sale at some point. So stay tuned. Well, here's what I bought. It's an Oliver 770 gas with a farmhand F25 loader. And I got most of the attachments. I got the push off. I got the grapple, and I guess what I would call a manure bucket or hay bucket. But I still got a snow bucket or just a regular bucket back here to load, and then I got a bunch of spare grapple teeth and a bunch of bent up hay fork attachments. So we're working on loading this stuff up. So this should be fun. It hasn't been too bad yet, but it's been interesting. We are loaded. Not heavy by any means. I get the tractor a little bit further towards the pickup than I'd like, but I needed to get my ramps up because I hate putting them underneath. But an Oliver 770 gas, row crop, nothing too wild. Runs really good. Farmhand, I think F25 loader on it. It's got the grapple on it. I got another hay grapple set up, a scoop, and the hay push off for bucking stacks. So we're missing one piece of sheet metal on the other side that shouldn't be too terribly hard to track down, but pretty straight, old girl. Better than a lot of them I've seen. You can see the piece of sheet metal I'm missing. If you got one that kind of matches my paint, shoot me a message. I'd be interested in it. Tires are good. It's got truck tires in the front. That's pretty normal of this area. But as you can see, we might be a touch wide. Just a little wide. But we'll head home. It's a pretty desolate highway out here where we're going today. So we will get home, I think. Even the loader is a little bit wider than the trailer, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, we're a little wide. And I broke one bolt getting a push off on here, but so I take a tooth off, but that's no big deal. She looks pretty good. Let's go home. And with that, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll do something fun the next time, and while you're out and about, go drag something out of the weeds and get it running.